Hi guys, this is Sayed. Uh, as most of the Excel users know, and as especially the experienced and senior users, we tend to rely on keyboard and mouse for navigating in Excel workbooks and worksheets. However, in my experience, and many people would agree with me that mouse is not the most effective keyboard is entry tool. Keyboard is much more effective and time saving method to enter your commands in the Excel. Uh, in my effort to learn and practice keyboard shortcuts, I was looking through and I found an interesting one sheet presentation that this how to use the keyboard shortcuts. That was for developed for a traditional desktop keyboard. I made some modifications in that, and this version that you see on my screen now looks like a, a normal keyboard for a laptop, and this is not complicated. It's very simple and easy to use. It's color coded, and just for example, there are three examples here, and there are three colors used. One is green, one is blue, and the other one is kind of pink. Uh, this color, kind of pink, my daughter calls it kind of pink, so this is how it is. Uh, Now this color coding helps in memorizing the key connections. Like if you let me enlarge it a bit to see better. If you want to, if we press Shift and F2, you can insert comments. If you press Control and S, you can save the workbook. If you press Control Shift and 2, then you can go into time format. Now this is here. If we see in a detailed Shift and the tab will move the cursor in the previous cell. Normal function for tab is if you press tab, it goes to the next cell, but if you press it in combination with shift, it will go to the previous tab. And the other keys that you can use, F2 you press with shift, it will be insert a comment, and F3 if you press with shift, it will be insert a function, and if you press control and any key that is green in this keyboard with control, you will have this function. S is for save, D is for copy down. We know that C is for copy and V is for paste. These are the two, I think, the most used keys in the Excel keyboard. But you can have with control, you can do all these functions which are in green. uh, there are some keys you will see as green and blue. Now that means you have to press shift and control together, and then you press this key and you will get the functionality of this key, which is in two colors, green and blue. And the last one is the pink color, which I say kind of pink. Is these are the keys you if you press alt, you will use you will press F1 again, you can get insert chart, and F5 you can get pivot table, and F8 you can get open macros. These are some of the keys that you can use. To me, it looks kind of practical and easy to remember. And what I've done, I've printed a hard copy of this and put in my workstation. Yeah, I can refer to it easily, and over the period of time, I am hoping and assuming that I'll get used to it, and I won't need to look at it every time I need to use this keyboard shortcuts. I hope you'd enjoy this and you like this. If you are interested to get a printable copy of this keyboard shortcuts template, just leave your country and the city name and your email address, and a hard copy will be mailed. A printable copy will be mailed to you. And if you like this short presentation, please like my video and subscribe my channel. This is actually my effort to learn Excel, financial modeling, and VBA. Now, in this effort, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to disseminate the knowledge that I acquire. as acquire, as I acquire, I will disseminate. So if you are interested in joining my learning journey, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. This is my first effort, and I hope to put many more such videos in the future. Thank you. This was my daughter coughing in the background.